It's Monday, June 24th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And this week's news could very well determine whether the Bank of Canada lowers interest rates by another quarter of a point next month. Several economists, including those at the TD and Bank of Montreal, anticipating that StatsCan's monthly inflation update on Tuesday will end up cutting the consumer price index to as low as 2.5% from 2.7% in April, which they say would likely clear the way for the BofC to reduce its key lending rate from 4.75% to 4.5% come July 24th. New data suggesting that we aren't getting the itch to change jobs like we used to. StatsCan reporting that job switching was down to 0.41% in May, or about 40% lower than it was pre-pandemic. Recruitment firm Robert Walters suggesting that 8 in 10 are now putting job security over pay as a top priority. 65% of professionals admitting that economic uncertainty is the main reason for staying put. Thank you for choosing one of Canada's most listened to business podcasts, updated Monday through Friday, heard around the world on X and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Canada's Business Beat. The more you listen, the more you know in only 2 minutes. This next will impact business planning going forward. The latest StatsCan population projections suggesting that we could be 63 million by 2073. Saskatchewan, Alberta, and BC likely to see the strongest growth. Coinciding with the sharp increase for business bankruptcies, the Canada Revenue Agency is reporting the businesses finished last year owing a record $19.4 billion in sales tax revenue, up $3.2 billion from 2022, twice as much than before COVID. Labor unrest for aircraft maker Bombardier, with over 1,300 workers at the company manufacturing facility in Toronto on strike. The good news, talks are continuing. And on the Business Beat radar for the week, besides inflation figures, convenience store giant Couche-Tard will be reporting its fourth quarter earnings on Tuesday. Wednesday will bring tourism data from StatsCan. We'll get the latest on job vacancies on Thursday and April economic growth on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.